If you're having trouble logging into your Deriv account, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot common login problems. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions and attempt to log in. Step 5. Contact support. If you are still unable to log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Deriv's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details of the issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Deriv. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.